In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create passkeys for your Shopify account. Starting from the main dashboard, take a moment to locate your store name in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu, providing you with a few options. Among these options, you'll want to select your profile, which will direct you straight to your profile settings. Now that you're in your profile settings, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a panel featuring various settings categories. Here, you'll want to focus on the Security option. A quick click will bring you to the Security Settings page, which is crucial for safeguarding your account. Security features like these are essential as they help you manage access to your account while keeping it well protected against unauthorized interactions. As you delve into the security settings, you'll notice an option labeled Create a Passkey. Clicking this will start the process of setting up a passkey for your account. Creating a passkey is a smart move for enhancing the security of your Shopify account, as it adds an extra layer of defense beyond traditional passwords. You might be wondering what exactly a passkey can be. Well, it can vary depending on the device you use and the security features it supports. Some common options include using your fingerprint, facial recognition, or setting a PIN code. Each of these methods offers a unique balance of convenience and security, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your setup and personal preferences. If you have the hardware, using biometric options like fingerprints or facial recognition can often provide the quickest and most secure way to log in. Once you've decided on which method suits you best, you'll follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. It's a straightforward process designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you'll have your account secured in just a few moments. And that's pretty much it. With your new passkey in place, you've successfully added an extra measure of protection for your Shopify account, giving you greater peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was easy to follow. Make sure to keep your security settings up to date and consider checking out other features Shopify offers to enhance your store's security. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, stay secure and happy selling.